In this video, I will be showing you how to use Perplexity AI to generate high-performing video title ideas. I'll start by heading to the Perplexity homepage and clicking directly into the main search bar to begin my request. Now, I'm going to type in a very specific prompt to help the AI understand exactly what I need for my content. I'm asking it to analyze the most viewed YouTube videos about how to bake sourdough bread and generate 10 high click-through rate title ideas. Once my instructions are typed out, I'll click the send button and let the AI go to work. It quickly provides a breakdown of what makes sourdough videos successful, noting that popular content often emphasizes beginner-friendly steps and uses words like perfect, easy, and best to drive clicks. Now, I'm scrolling down to the actual list of 10 ideas it generated for me. Each of these titles, like 5 Steps to Perfect Sourdough or Easy Sourdough No Fails, is designed to be punchy and effective. I can look through these options and choose the one that fits my video best, knowing that they are all optimized for high engagement based on real-time data. It's an incredibly fast and efficient way to handle the creative process for my channel. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.